This is eto, a Ghanaian dish made from half-ripe plantain. Eto is mainly eaten by the Akans. Eto is very healthy and can help you manage your weight. It can be eaten by the whole family. Please stay with me as we go through mashed plantain recipe. Hello family, you are welcome once again. My name is Obapefia. Today we are going to talk about eto, as I have already said. If you are a new person here, please subscribe, share, like, and also tell us what you think about the video. We really appreciate your support and your encouragement. We start by peeling our plantains. As you can see, the plantain is not all that ripe. You can use all that fully ripe plantain for eto. Eto is mainly eaten by the Akans, as I've already said. After peeling it, you cut your plantain into smaller pieces so that it will cook faster for you, just as I've just done. After that, you add water and you add other vegetables to it. This is pepper and this is our eggs and insusua. Please tell me the English name for insusua. And my friends in Nigeria, if you have insusua in your area, how do you call it? Tell us at the comment section. This is our spring onion that we use to garnish our eto. We have Kobe too here. Kobe is salted tilapia. So we will fry the Kobe in our palm oil. You can also roast it on your burner and you are good to go. So from there, we have a pepper sauce. So this is chopped onions, ginger, and we will add our salted fish and the pepper we added to the plantains and a little salt to taste. Remember, because of the salted fish, you have to measure the amount of salt you add. Mr. Ocean so say, what dear to see so unja hon kwaya de foforo, because I was say oma when you come home. Send a bear, you don't overboil the plantain. And yes, a bear picture. If it overboils, even if you put it in the fridge, it can come back to it the state you can use it for eto. So please, I was so when you come home, and a continuous process. Fa eto insisongosi no mama What the tonesi suna na other things na obewi na eto ne bebre no na eno so aye ready. So here we are adding our peanut butter and the pepper sauce. So you mash it together so that it will be completely mixed, that you can't identify the peanut and the pepper sauce in it. From there your eto is ready. Kain so say body ejejia na ama starch a woman no eso atekra inti wudi a ebetimi ama wa lose weight inti wo yeto a susu oil no na hye so say pese o lose weight a our local meals can help you lose weight. It does a pass or share me. Eto no na aye ready no. Our eto is ready. So you just add all the things that you've already prepared. We have our peanut and our insusai. And insusai kran bro food in the same way they show we no. Try your comment section how I. Please, our friends in Nigeria, tell us what you call these tiny small vegetables if you have one in your country. So you are saved. You can add avocado if you have some to it, and it goes very well with it. Instead of mashed potatoes, you can give this to your kids, and it's more healthier and cheaper. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed it and you make one for your family, please subscribe, like, share, and tell us what you think about the video. Thank you for watching. See you again. Bye.